Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lala and I'm here to review this high frequency skin therapy wand. This was recommended to me by my waxers. You know how people do like the vag facials. So they were saying, you know, you can buy this one for your face. It's good for if you have like acne scarring and blah, blah, blah. So I said, well, I'll give it a try. It had like the instructions on the inside of the packaging, which is what you see here. It had 4 different wands, and I'm just gonna go through each one of these and test out the ones that I have in this box. I have one for your face, different sizes for your face, 3 different sizes for your face, and one for your hair, which I thought was interesting too. So here I'm just reading the directions. It tells you how to apply it. There's several different ways you can use the wands, directly or indirectly. If you use it directly, it tells you to make sure that you use like a face cream or face oil before you actually put the wand directly onto your skin. So here I just got out of the shower, so I already had a fresh face and clean face. I just didn't have any product on my skin. So this is how the insert looks. It gives you the directions and what each wand is. So I'm going to go through and use the biggest one first. Well, I'm going to do my skincare first. So this is me using my toner. You guys already know what products I use primarily, but I did add the Ordinary's toner. Really? I did add the Ordinary to my line because, to my skincare routine, because I didn't have the toner for the company that I typically use. But this is just toning my skin, and then I'm going to go in with my treatments and a moisturizer so that the wand glides across your face easy. So this is what I'm doing here. So I'm going to fast forward this to actually the part where I'm using the wand. So here is the first insert I'm going to use. You stick it right down into the top of the wand, and then there's a knob on the end of it that has the adjustments, so you can turn it up or turn it down however high you would like. I'm going to use the lowest frequency for probably about a week first before I start turning it up, just to make sure that, you know, I don't have any like bad reactions, or I don't want to shock my skin for the first time using something like this. So this one is called the Mushroom Wand, and it tells you to go in a zigzag pattern on your face and to not, you know, stay in one spot for more than 10 seconds. This one is the bent wand, and you can use it around your nostrils because it's very small. So that's what I'm doing here. This one is the cone wand, and you can put it on your hair if you have any thinning spots. I wanted to focus on my edges. I wasn't doing anything at first, but then as you can see, it turned red. So that's when I knew it was like on and working. So I guess you have to put a little bit more pressure. And I had oil on my scalp because I oiled my scalp today. Not right before this video, but today I did. So it wasn't just like dry. So you want to make sure you have oil or something so it does stimulate that scalp to help with the hair growth process. The final one is the tongue wand, and I use this one around my eyes and right above my eyebrows, around my nose, and in between my eyebrows, to kind of get rid of those, you know, squinting your eyes or your eyebrows up, the little line right above it. So that's what I'm doing here. Now I'm just cleaning each tip, and then I put it back in the box for storage. And I'm going to try to use this every single day, every night, and one time a night to stimulate the collagen and cell turnover and help my products seep down into my skin a little bit better, and see if it helps, because I have some dark spots and some old acne scarring and all that stuff. So hopefully this does help with those issues. It also supposed to help with wrinkles, pimple control. If you have like a bump, you can put that on there, and it's supposed to help with that, smooth out the wrinkles, and just kill the bacteria. So that's the purpose of this wand. I will put in the description box the link for purchasing it. It did come in 2 days because I have Amazon Prime. So if you want to try it, test it out. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace. Oh, don't forget to tell Pookie I said what's up. All right, now, bye.